So let's continue solving problems here in differential calculus. So limits of a function is our topic. So we've done solving problem number 1 and problem number 2. So let's try now problem number 3. So this is problem number 1 and 2, just to recall. So problem number 3. So problem number 3 is limit of x squared minus 1 all over x squared plus 3x minus 4 as x approaches 1. So again, there's three methods, no? So method A, I think if we substitute 1 to the values, okay, so it will come to 0. So method A, factor, so x plus 1, x minus 1 all over x minus 4, x plus 1 as x approaches 1. So we can see that we can cancel, tama ba? X plus 1, x minus 4. So mali, baliktad pala. Dito yung positive, dito yung negative. Yan. So we can see that we can cancel x minus 1 here. So we can do the substitution now. So magiging 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 4. So 2 over 5. So next, L'Hopital's rule. Using L'Hopital's rule, so limit will be the derivative of the numerator and the denominator. So 2x all over 2x plus 3 as x approaches 1. So we can do now the substitution. 2 times 1 all over 2. 1 plus 3. That is 2/5. Okay. So letter C, method C, using a substitute value of x. So let's say 0.09999. So substitute na natin recta. So magiging 0.9999 squared minus 1 all over 0.9999 squared plus 3. 0.9999 minus 4. So let's check using our scientific calculator. Siyempre, if you're taking the board exam, you will use the method 3. The set any values of x na malapit dun sa value no as x approaches 1. Kunwari yan, mag-substitute ka ng malapit dun. It will save you some time, no? So, yan, nasagot. 0.39998 or 0.4. Siyempre, 2/5 yan kapag kinonvert mo sa fraction. But any method will arrive you to the same answer, but it will save you some time if you will just use the method 3, no? The substitute value. Kasi kapag complicated yung function, tapos kukunin mo pa yung derivative, lalo na kunwari, trigonometric, tapos nakalimutan mo, medyo may trabaho. Okay? So, problem number 4. Problem number 4 ay, see? So, algebraic ulit, no? Ano, limit of x minus 4 all over x squared minus x minus 12 as x approaches 4. So, di ko na ipapakita yung method A and B. Kasi ipakita natin yung method B, yung L'Hopital's. Yung isa kasi, ang pwede mong gawin ulit, i-factor out mo. Pag factor out mo to, di mo magiging ano siya, yung parang x minus 4 all over x minus 4 x plus 3. Maka-cancel to, so magiging 1 over x plus 3. So, 1 over 4 plus 3, 1 over 7. So, madali lang. Okay? Ganun lang yung method A natin. Yung method B, L'Hopital's. L'Hopital's. So, magiging 1 all over 2x minus 1 as x approaches 4. So, substitute mo 1 over 2. 4 minus 1, it will give you 1 over 7. Okay? So, method C natin, set any values of x. So, malapit dun sa value ng x of limit. So, x 3.9999. If you substitute in here, makakakuha ka ng sagot na pag i-write natin, minus 4 all over 3.9999 squared minus 3.9999 minus 12. So, makakuha ka dyan ng 0.14286 blah blah blah. O, kapag kinonvert mo sa 1 over 7. Okay? Next problem, problem number 5. Sabi sa problem, limit ng ln x all over x as x approaches infinity. Pwede mong gawin dyan, ang binigay na sa'yo is infinity. Kahit hindi ka na gumamit ng method A and B, no? So, i-rectasi mo na. Set any values of x, so 999,000. 999,999, substitute mo doon. ln ng, substitute mo na agad. Yan. Kapag kinalky mo yan, so 0.000 or 0. Okay? So, yun ang sagot natin. Okay? So, last problem tayo. Problem number 6 sa limits. So, limit of 1 minus cosine x all over x squared as x approaches 0. So, paano gagawin natin? So, gamitin natin si method B, L'Hopital's. Yung method A sa algebraic lang natin magagamit yun, guys, ha. L'Hopital's rule. So, magiging limit, derivative ng 1 minus cosine x is just sine x. Okay? So, limit ng sine x over 2x as x approaches 0. Tama ba? Sine x Kalimutan ko differentiation formula. Yun, cosine. Cosine u, du. Kung L'Hopital, ilalagay nila yan. Ay, indeterminate pala. Okay, wait. Apply mo ulit si L'Hopital's. Pwede mong i-apply ulit si L'Hopital's, guys, kung ganyan. So, derivative ni sin x is just cosine x. Tapos ito over 2. As x approaches 0. Yan. Pwede mong iulit. Pwede mong gamitin pwede mong mag-reapply ka ng L'Hopital's rule. Cosine 0 all over 2. 0.5. Okay. Yan. So, method C, substitute any values of x. Let's say 0.0001. So, magiging 1 minus cosine ng 0.0001 all over 0.0001 squared. Pag ganyan nakaliit yung angle mo, i-set mo sa radian mode yung calculator mo. O saan? Radian. Okay? Pag ganyan kaliit yung angle mo, substitute mo sa radian mode, yung calculator mo. So, yan ang sagot. Wait. 1 minus square. 0.49999 or 5. It will arrive on the same answer. Okay? So, that's all we need to know in limits of a function. No? So, that concludes our discussion in limits of a function. So, next topic is differentiation. No? So, yan. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. No? So, keep watching. Happy learning and padayon engineers.